welcome to Light of Aurora. I am Aurora. Today we will be doing some polygel nails and I'll be doing some using the foams actually. So let's begin. First off, you have to push your cuticles back and don't be harsh or going crazy, just be gentle. When your cuticles is done, you can, if you want to, use your cuticle clippers and cut away. But if you don't want to, you can just leave it as it is. Also, when using your clippers, be careful and gentle. Done. Next step is scratch up your nails. And I know I'm only showing my thumb, but I'm doing this with all my fingers. Wipe away the dust. Always wipe away the dust after you scratch up your nail. Then I will be applying my dehydrator. And this time I will be using my primer as well. I like this brush. And let that dry. Then you apply your base coat in a nice thin layer. And this is the foam I'll be using. Oh, I was so excited just to do this video. So make sure you put a sticky tab underneath the foam to make it more stable and roll it so it holds the foam of the nail longer and it's easier. I'm just making sure it's stable. This is my polygel brush that I'll be using and my tapping dish. I learned from my left hand that I should just apply a big old glob on my nail. I did not have a plan here. Let's just go nuts. I just wanted it flat, and where the nail and the paper meet, I want it to be very smooth as well. And then I will focus more of extending the nail to how long I want it to be. Here is the other finger I'm also doing. Put a small sticky circle at the back. You can see I'm rolling it and applying it on my nail. And I'm making sure it's secured. And don't worry, I did try to make sure that it is straight. Oh, it's a little skew. Oh, is my hand skewed? Anyway, apply your big glob and flatten it out using your brush. can see my sticky, I think my foam got unsticky. I didn't press hard enough and I didn't roll it long enough. That was the problem, it unstuck. Going a little nuts on this nail. I'm just leaving it upside down so it flows and makes a arch. Time to remove all my foams. Nails and it's all shiny, which means the sticky layer is still on it. Use your non-acetone wipe and remove the sticky layer of your nails. Your polygel extension nails. On top and at the bottom. It looks a little musty. Where the polygel is thin or I bolt the nails too thinly, I will apply more polygel and will make it very thick. And again, I have no plan here, just make it all even. I think that's good enough for me. And I do it with all my thin nails as well. And time to file your shape you want it to be, and I want it to be almost like a short almond stiletto. Me and the shapes don't work out. This is the shape I'm going with. It looks so thick on camera. Okay, now remove the dust with your non-acetone wipe. Yay! I pulled the nail. I'm so proud that I pulled the nail. These are all my nails. I'm a little worried about my little finger here. It was a good thing that I was worried about my pinky finger, because that nail did not stick on or did not cure properly and it came off. Anyway, I will be redoing it later off camera, but this is the colors that I'm going with. The whole point of the video was to just see if I could use two foams. Not two foams, foams. And I was concentrating so much on just doing the foams instead of looking up a design or thinking of a design. I went blank. So I use all my pastel colors here. And I only have 3. I did not file on top of the nail. If you can see it, it's bumpy. Anyway, this is what it looks like. There's a little imperfections on my nail, but I built it. Ugh. And off camera I will be doing my pinky. Pinky is done. So these are my nails. My pinky is done. What do you think? This is my first official attempt of using nail foams and building my nail from scratch using polygel. Not acrylic, polygel. I'm a little proud that I built it, but there's also that not so proud part. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much for sticking around so far to watch it.